Okay. Well, we're doing Harley stuff today. So, we bought this bad boy. It's a 2023 Harley Davidson Lowrider S. I love it. It's got the 117, pretty stock. It's kind of the way I wanted it. Kind of wanted to put my own spin on it and figure we could use it for UggaDugGarage. So, first thing we're gonna do with this bad boy is it does have the stock exhaust. Sounds good, doesn't sound great. So we did get some Cobra pipes for it. See if it improves our quality of life out on the country roads. So we're gonna do that today. We're gonna show before and after. Hopefully you like it. If you don't, see yourself out the door. Also, just a note for the viewers, we are doing our best to pushing stuff out as quickly as we can. We do have full-time jobs, and we are discovering a few hurdles. Obviously, pushing out content, editing the videos, stuff like that can be a bit of a challenge, but we're going to do it, and hopefully we can start doing it faster, quicker. And if you guys can give us ideas of what you'd like to see on the channel later, stuff like that, that always helps us out too. And obviously, like, share, and subscribe. That helps out a lot. But yeah, I hope you enjoy, and welcome to UggaDugGarage. Alright, first and foremost, got some bolts here. Got some bolts underneath here. Just nothing out of the ordinary that we gotta take apart. It's a pretty easy bolt off and bolt on situation. So we'll get a start with what it sounds like now, and then we'll get an after real quick, just so you can compare it. That's what we're working with. Hell yeah! Kind of. If you're not mechanically inclined like I am, anything can seem difficult. Fucking literally anything. Travis says, oh, that'll take us an hour. It'll take me 8. I'm sure by the novice eye, I'll look adequate. Not. If I can do this, anybody can fucking do this. I mean, this is very. Let's see, we're gonna take this off. UggaDug action here. Something's holding this on. Okay, so I felt a nudge. So we'll see. Huh. There he goes. Tripping. Walk in here, dog. Ah! There we go. Just a little maneuverability here. Boom. A little man strength. Look at that. So this was bottom. Like I said, I'm not good at this stuff. I need ways to remember. Okay, so we got them off. There are a few hurdles I'm going to try to attack once at a time. But there are some gaskets that Cobra pipe, which is the exhaust that I'm putting on here, suggested that I go to the store and get new ones. And I should. For anybody that's watching this, I'm an idiot. So I'm going to try to do it the cheap way. I'm going to try to reuse these. The bike's only got like 90 miles on it, so I'm hoping that it allows me to reuse the gasket. Maybe not, but we're gonna try. So, as you can see, I already took the one, well, right here, there was this little piece. I already took it off of this side. I'm gonna try to get this one off, and I think there's actually a piece in between the clamp and the exhaust as well to seal it better. So that's all stuff I'm going to try to take apart, and I'll show you when I get that done. Okay, well, we are at a standstill. We did get those little tips off, those, and then bring you over to the exhaust. I cannot reuse the gasket because it is melted to the inside of these. So FYI, people that are trying to do this, just go get the gasket, because now my night is kaput. So I'm gonna start back on this when I get the gasket, probably tomorrow. So start then. Anyway, we did, and when I say we, I mean Skylar, got the gaskets out. So you can do it. They might damage a little bit, but you can indeed get these suckers out. Kind of clean. Skylar's just easing that nice little gasket right in that little hole, pressing his fingers in them real nice. Making sure it's all sealed on the edges. Doing it again to that one. And just for anybody out there, don't even think that you're gonna put these on there without the gaskets, because it is not going to work. So, alright, well, they're all eased in there. So maybe this will get done tonight. Oh, nice. Alright, so one down, one more to go. We were able to get the gasket in there. It did fray a little bit, so hopefully that's not going to be an issue. But got the bottom one on. For Cobra pipe, they have one that is, it's got the engraving of Cobra on it. That one's going to go on top. So we're going to try to put the second one on, get it all fitted, and hopefully it all goes well. When you do put this on, this clamp though has to be flush with the pipe, and you're gonna have to wheel it in a little bit, but it will fit. All right, well, these bad boys are fitted. Still got to put the heat shields on. We'll do a sound test after that. Okay, well, it is showtime. If this doesn't sound better, I'll kick the bike over. Moment of truth. I'm gonna call that one a fucking win.
That's loud.
Yeah, I'm gonna call that a win. All right, with that being said, we'll do a little ride off into the sunset or into the night, and tell me if you like it.